Hi guys, this is your boy Crazy Walters from crazywalters.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about affiliate marketing and why it is the best way of starting to earn money online. Okay, before we get started, just hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get notified when I drop more informational videos. Bye, see you on the inside. Affiliate marketing. In this presentation, I will address 3 questions about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing work? Why this is the best online business model to start? First of all, every business has sales persons who help sell their products and services. These products are usually sold online or offline, or both. Affiliate marketers are those persons who help companies sell their products and services online or offline. And when a sale is made, the affiliate gets a commission or a percentage of the sale at no cost to the customer. That's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Hence the term affiliate marketing. So how does this really work? Let's say an item at a store costs $90. The percentage commission would be 20% for the affiliates, right? Therefore, the amount payout on that item would be $18. Alright, so let's do a summary calculations for 1 month. Okay, that same item at $18 commission. Let's say you get 4 sales per day. That is equal to $72. Okay, for 1 week, which is 7 days, you should get $504. And for 30 days, you should be able to earn $2160. That's a whole month. Okay, so why is this the best online business model to start? Okay, so it's the best online business model to start because low startup costs. You don't need any product or service. You are promoting other people's and businesses' products and services. You get paid when a sale is made. You don't have to deal with customer complaints. And it is by far the easiest way to start making money online. An example of affiliate marketing is Amazon Associate Program. Amazon is one of the largest online stores in the world. Now, do you want to learn how to make money as an affiliate for Amazon? Let's get started then. Okay, so let's go to Amazon. And let's click the link here. Okay, so Amazon is one of the largest online retailers. Once you join the Amazon Associate Program, you will be able to promote any of these products. They will give you links and all. Once a sale is made, let's take for example this product here, this console. Let's click on it, and the cost is $78. Let's say they're offering at 10% on this. When you make a sale on this, you get $7.08 as a commission, and that's basically it. You could promote anything in Amazon under the Amazon Associate program. To get and join the Amazon Associate program, you come straight down at the bottom of the page, right? And where you see become an affiliate, you click on that and then you click sign up. You will have to have a email address to sign up and get started. Okay, so that's basically it. Don't forget to click the button below this video where I have created a free Amazon affiliate master class. Thank you and see you on this side. Bye.